Hi everyone, it's me Kimberly, and what I'm going to be making with my avocado is baking an egg inside it. It's going to be new for me, and here we go.
Alright, so what I did here was I scooped the center of the avocado so I had enough space for my egg, and you whisk your egg until it's nice and smooth. During this, I decided to go into microwaving the egg, but if you are going to bake it, you preheat the oven to 400 degrees and you leave it in there for 6 minutes. However, I only had one avocado and I did not want to turn on the oven for one avocado. You can add your salt in here. I added a little bit of pepper and some paprika. You just mix them in there until it's nice and smooth again. You pour it into your avocado, make sure you don't spill it. And because I microwaved it, I microwaved it in increments of 10 seconds. So here I am microwaving it. This is how it looks like. It's not fully cooked yet. I wanted to melt my cheese, so I pulled it out a little bit, sprinkled some cheese in there, and I microwaved it again. I did it like 5 different times for 10 seconds. You stop it whenever it starts spilling over so it cools down. Here it is, how it's finished. It looks nice. I put some cilantro, some hot sauce. It looked really good, you guys. Very easy.